Welcome to ClickMyProject. The title of the project is RELAI Testing, a technique to assess and improve software reliability, data mining. The abstract of the project is testing software for assessing or improving reliability presents several practical challenges. Conventional operations testing is a fundamental strategy that simulates the real usage of the system in order to expose failure with the highest occurrence probability. However, practitioners find it unsuitable for assessing high reliability levels, and they do not see the adoption of real usage profit estimate as a sensible idea, being it a source of non-quantifiable uncertainty. Debug testing technique into expose as many failures as possible, but regardless of their impact on runtime reliability. This strategy, regardless of their impact to improve reliability, but cannot improve and assess reliability in the same test sessions. This article proposes reliability assessment and improvement testing, a new technique thought to improve delivery reliability by an adaptive testing scheme, while providing at the same time continuous assessment of reliability attained through testing and fault. The technique also quantifies the impact of partial knowledge of the operation profile. RELAI is positively evaluated on 4 software applications compared in separate experiment, with technique conceived either for reliability improvement or reliability assessment, demonstrating substantial improvements in both cases. Next, we saw the data flow diagram of this project. First, we provide the test case for identifying the reliability testing. Second one, calculate the dependency structure, and third one is independency structure. So we calculate the predictions value for dependency structure and independency structure, and this prediction value is used in similarity measure. In this project, we used cosine similarity using the dependency structure predictions and independency structure prediction value. Finally, we calculate the threshold value and creating the cluster formation for test case generation, and allocate the test case cluster to each distributed environment, and collecting the result for each test case and generate the report, and finally calculate the performance evaluation for each test case ID. Now we start the demo of this project. The project main concept is improve the software reliability. Click the next button. Browse the file. Open the dataset and browse the file name. This is the test case ID for test case generations, and click the next button. Assign ID for each test case and new the test case ID. Suppose we add the new test case in this field. Generate the ID and add the any test case. I give the check database connection. And click the add button. The test cases is added in the dataset, and click the next button. This frame is used for calculate the term frequency for each test case in the dataset. So calculate the TF. And view the test frequency and click the next button for calculating the cosine similarity. And click the display button. First we calculate TF and the second one is similarity. The third one is clustering using the similarity calculations, and click the submit button. This is the clustering test case ID and its some frequency range, and click the next button. This form is used for view the best value in the test case ID. So we give the any value 0.78 and click the from in button. This is the nearest similarity value for given value and its test case ID, and click the next button for calculating the average weight, and click the next button. This frame is used for test case prioritizations. So we easily identify the which case is priority 1, 2, 3. First one priority is test case ID 28, second one 27, 26, 25. And this one is user easily view the non-prioritized fault deductions and prioritized fault deductions. This is the frequency for non-prioritized fault deductions, and click the prioritized average percentage fault deduction button. This is the frequency range, and click the graph button for easily analyze the test case prioritization. This is the non-prioritized attributes and prioritized attributes, comparing the clustering deviations. So thank you.